Rebecca, earlier we spoke about this political upheaval in Saudi Arabia, and one of the shocks is the arrest of one of the world's richest men. That's Sheikh Alawi bin Talal. He is a major investor in companies across the world. What are some of the companies that he's invested in, and what kind of impact could his arrest have?
As you say, he's one of the world's richest men. He's worth around $19 billion. Some of the companies that he's invested in are Twitter, 20th Century Fox, the Chinese e-commerce company JD.com, and Citigroup. So some really big companies there.
And some of this could affect some stock prices if there's uncertainty in his investments.
That's right. We've already seen Twitter stocks have gone down by about 0.6%. And again, Citigroup stocks as well are down 0.8%. And actually his big company, Kingdom Holding Company, their shares plummeted yesterday as well due to this uncertainty.
I want to go and turn to a big story now breaking in the United States today. It looks like it's one of the biggest corporate deals in history. It's in the computer chip field. Broadcom making an offer for this company, Qualcomm. What are we talking about? What is the scope of this deal?
I mean, it's an absolutely massive deal. Just to give you an idea of the scale, it's potentially the second biggest deal in US corporate history. The only deal that was bigger before this was when AOL bought Time Warner for $162 billion in '99. So if it goes ahead, this is going to be huge.
Okay, these are not small chips involved here. Rebecca?
What might that change? And just as we look at those numbers, and certainly we're talking big budget deals to say the least, what might that change for the consumer?
Well, one of the things that it may change for the consumer in this regard is to do with 5G. One of the reasons why this deal might be happening right now is the US is looking to launch 5G very soon, and to use 5G you need both wired and wireless connectivities. You've got both companies here who provide wired technology and wireless, so together they'll be unstoppable.
And so we won't have to wait even 2 seconds for anything to load anywhere, because
well,
that would be the end of the world. All right, well.